morning, students. Welcome to all of you in the SST class. Today we will study lesson 10, Art Forest. In that chapter we are going to study general information about forest and how they are important, means their importance. Third, types of forest. Fourth, save trees. How can we save the trees? Fifth, about wild animals. How can we save them and protect their habitat? Students, forest is an important natural resource and it has been calculated that a country must have 1/3 of its total area under forest. It has been estimated that, calculated that 1/3 of its total area must be under forest. But in India, we have only 1/5 of its total area under forest. India में under forest कितना पोर्शन है? 1/5 of its total area. And this is by far less than what is required. और ये जितना चाहिए होता है उससे बहुत कम है. Forests are one of the most important natural resource on the earth, covering the earth like a green blanket. These forests not only produce innumerable material goods but also provide several environmental services which are essential for life. The importance of forest cannot be underestimated. We depend on forest for their wood, rainfall, and also for medicinal herbs and they also prevent soil erosion. So, forest and its products are useful to us because they give us spices, medicinal plants, different types of herbs, rubber and food. They provide shelter to various animals and birds. They provide hardwood for constructing buildings, furniture, and they also provide softwood which is used to make paper and matchstick. Forests also help to control soil erosion and floods. Forests also attract clouds and bring rainfall, and at last forests purify air and check global warming. So you can see how forests are important for us. Now the next topic is types of forest. The first forest is evergreen forest. Second forest is deciduous. Third one is thorn. Fourth one is mountain forest. Tidal forest. So India has different types of forest: evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorn forest, mountain forest, and tidal forest. We will learn about these forests one by one. The first forest, that is evergreen forest. We can know about this forest through this chart. We can call evergreen forest tropical rainforest because they are found in hot and wet season. And which trees are found here? We can find ebony, mahogany, and rosewood. And where these trees are found? We can find these trees on the hills of Western Ghats, Northeast India, and in Andaman and Nicobar Island. And what are the main features of the trees that are found here? The trees do not shed their leaves. They remain green throughout the year. So, evergreen means the trees that remain green throughout the year. So, evergreen forest, in evergreen forest, trees remain green throughout the year. Here, trees are tall and have a canopy. Canopy means a roof on top of the tree. That is like an umbrella, and that provide shade or shelter from weather condition such as sun, hail, snow and rain. We can call these forests tropical rainforest, and they are found on the slopes of Western Ghats, hills of northeastern part of our country, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. All these places are hot and receives a lot of rainfall. The next forest is deciduous forest. Deciduous forest of monsoon. Here we can find teak, saag, sandalwood, shisham, mahua, etc. And these trees are found at foothills of Himalayas, Sahyadris and southern plateaus. And the main feature of these forests is that the trees shed their leaves in the dry season. कि पेड़ों की पत्तियां ड्राई सीजन में अपनी लीव्स को शेड कर देती है, गिरा देती है. So deciduous forests are popularly called monsoon forests. They are found at foothills of Himalayas, Sahyadris and northeastern part of Indian peninsula, means southern plateau. The forest cover the maximum part of our country. कि हमारी कंट्री के मैक्सिमम पार्ट में कौन से फॉरेस्ट है? डिसीडियस फॉरेस्ट. एंड अनलाइक द एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट, these trees shed their leaves once in a year. कि साल में एक बार in dry season they shed their leaves. इस साल में एक बार ये अपनी लीव्स को शेड कर देती हैं. पर एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट में पूरा साल trees remains green. And we can found teak, sal, shisham, sandalwood. etc. So today we studied how the forests are important for us and their types. In that we talked about evergreen forest, deciduous forest, and in the next class we will study about thorn forest, tidal forest, mountain forest, and how can we save the trees, and also about wild animals, how can we save them and protect their habitat.